Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot. I am going to give a technique a try that I don't see why it wouldn't work, but then again, but if it does work, oh, this could be really cool. Here's a piece I'm working with. It's a cute little lamp. I got it from a Goodwill ages ago. Here's the thing though. I still love the lamp because,
Your weakness is copper?
yeah, I love copper. But the lampshade? Yeah, it's seen better days. Now, I could just spray paint it, and in fact, I will be spray painting it white because I want a nice base coat. The one thing I learned from the last time I spray painted a lampshade is that you have to do super light coats and very balanced when you spray, and then come back and do multiple layers in order to get it just so. And you have to sand it after you spray. Something to keep in mind when you are using your napkin, it's probably got two plies to it. The first one will come off super easy. The second one, not so much, and you'll probably think, well, it's gonna be fine. That's what I learned the hard way from a different project. What happens is when you finally get the decoupage medium on it, oh yeah, then it figures out how to separate, and you got a really big kind of wrinkly mess. It does smooth out a little bit when it dries, but it's a lot easier if you just go with the single ply.
Like ASMR?
The next day, when it's all dry, just a little bit of sanding. Notice I'm not rubbing up. That would be bad.
Everything repeats over and over again.
Very dry stuff.
Please be careful.
I got an idea for these seams. It might be dumb, but giving it a shot. Remember these scraps? I'm gonna cut off these edges and make it ribbon. Thumbs up if you're ready to see the final results. Although wait, I do have a kind of cool little tip for you in case you get inspired to do something slightly off the normal, like I did. I thought, well, okay, if a decoupage medium could do it, couldn't I just spray on something, maybe a shellac or, you know, the clear glaze that's already glossy and stuff? Well, I tried. I did do a test piece, and here's the thing. There is a solvent that makes it work in the can when you spray it on, thus the shaking it up. But that creates a bleed on the print, and I got this weird, like this one had an undercoating of a pinky red, so.
Not good.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I tried both shellac and I tried it on just a clear semi-gloss. Yeah, you gotta paint on the decoupage medium. It keeps it from bleeding. So there's that. Hey, if this was at all entertaining, would really appreciate it if you click the subscribe. And if you want to see how I go at trying to repair a ceiling with texture, yeah, it doesn't go well. But click the subscribe button and also hit the bell for notifications. Here's the final results. Gotta say, I'm super happy with it, so much so that I think I might pop back into Goodwill and either hopefully find another lamp a lot like this, or maybe just find a lampshade that's slightly bigger than this one for this lamp, because otherwise I'm thrilled with the results. Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot. So my inspiration came from those old antique pieces of copper that you'd see with the Delftware handles, or sometimes they were a teapot. Yeah, like this. I love that look. So I want to do it with this. Not to mention, I did a project way back. I don't know if you, it was more of a how not to. But I still have some of those napkins laying around and they've got that Delft look, so I'm going for it.
He's a hoarder.
And I didn't shoot for perfection because I don't think that's possible, but I massively knocked down all the little fuzzies. So it's just, you really have to look for it to see it. But that's a little extra bonus tip there.
Seriously?
I'm having a day.